There's nothing like finding a product that does a functional job in a beautiful way. I'm Sarah with WTI, and that's exactly what I got with this solar pool chlorinator from JEMULICE. I absolutely love the way this lights up my pool. The design that it makes on the bottom is bright and beautiful, and it makes my pool the prettiest one on the block. It also comes with a remote, so I'm able to change the color, change the mode, speed it up and down, and I'm even able to make it brighter or darker from the comfort of my kitchen. This is beautiful when we have company over because I can make my whole pool light up to the vibe of the party. Whether it's a kids' party and we want something fun and lively, or we're just having some friends over for a bonfire and I can have a subtle, light, romantic mode. This was easy to put together right out of the package. All I had to do was snap on the chlorinator and it was ready to go. The chlorinator is made out of a sturdy plastic material and it fits the chlorine tablets perfectly, and I'm even able to twist the bottom to adjust the amount of chlorine. This solar pool chlorinator floater has made summertime in my backyard a lot more beautiful, and that's my point of view.